Hello and welcome. Today in this video we are going to learn how to draw a polygon. A polygon consists more than 3 bases or lines connecting to each other. That is maybe triangle, maybe rectangle, maybe a square, or maybe pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and any other. So to draw a polygon, first what we have to do is to type POL. The first option appears here is polygon. So you can click on it or just press enter. So now the AutoCAD is saying to enter the number of sides of the polygon. For example, I am typing 5. And just press enter. So the number of sides has been selected, and next they are saying to select the center of the polygon. Here one thing to notice, that the polygon acts like a center actually. The center is this one, and both this circle and this polygon has the same center, which is right here. So the next point what we have to do is specify the center point. So click anywhere, like I am clicking right here. So this is the center point. And now one thing you have to select is whether the polygon will be inscribed in circle or circumscribed about the circle. What it means, in this circle, this is inscribed in the circle. That means the polygon touching the circle but inside the circle and sharing the same center. But if all other features remain same and sharing the same center, the polygon if be outside the circle, then it will be circumscribed about the circle. So select inscribed and press the radius. Next you have to put the radius of the circle. So I am putting 10 and just press enter. So this is my polygon. So this is a simple polygon, but you can see here the circle. So to draw this kind of polygon inside a circle or outside a circle, for example, I am drawing a circle of 10 millimeter radius, 20 millimeter radius. So this is our circle, and first we have to create a polygon inside the circle that is inscribed in the circle. To do that, first we have to type POL, select polygon, enter the number of sides. For example, I am putting here 5, press enter. Now specify the center of the polygon. So how to do that? Just touch the circle. You can see the midpoint of the circle. If you don't see it, just come here and turn the right click on for the midpoint and center, and by turning on the center you can see the center of the circle whenever you touch the circle. So I have selected it, so it is showing the center of the circle. So next thing we have to do it is specify the center point of the polygon, that is the same center of the circle. So select it. So now if you are drawing inscribed the circle or circumscribed about the circle, so that means inside the circle or outside the circle, touching the circle. So in first method I am selecting the inscribed in circle, and the same radius you have to put here for the polygon whichever you have already put in case of the circle. So it was 20, so I will press 20 here, write down 20 and press enter. So it is inscribed into the circle. So the polygon is now inscribed into the circle. And if we have to do the same polygon outside the circle, that is circumscribed about the circle, to do that, write pol, select polygon, enter, select sides 5, enter, specify the center. You can select any of these and either select the circle or you can select the polygon. The same circle will be shown here, so select it, and now click on the circumscribed above the circle and give the same radius whichever you have used for the circle and the polygon for inscribed in the circle. So I am putting here a 20 and press enter. So now the polygon is outside the circle, touching the circle, which is circumscribed above the circle. So in this way you can create the polygon correctly. So that was it, and thanks for watching, and I hope you will like and subscribe my channel, and for more videos related to AutoCAD you will subscribe my channel. Thank you.